Watch BM Samu Akwaba do Badum TV Badwam Jumedi so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegwase enim kranshansem de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no doso ne yetodwa omubi ya wo betini opposition MPP amanyokuo no se mampani John Dramani Mahama code of conduct no sa anye bibia mfasa meje mfi hu dia na ne ye ohunu ye de honsam no ebebro nkuo bi nso aka wo ho bomu a ekire sankebe ya free SHS no yenyi free get fund no mu Adom sembi na no pay mere bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase or share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com semwe ni sembebre so ewo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said 70 mu ankasa etie MPP amanyoko ni de to mampani John Dramani Mahama enim sanka ebeya a code of conduct ya nansen ya wopa hontoma no omani ni adwuma ewo gold board CEO Samijemfi eso
ensama adankofo anu mo kanya ne se enya ade a wonsa obetime dia ka eya branche san se oyo golden boy untimi nya ho hwe untimi nya bibia na kasa kwa evasa oko social media so asema mo kan no nanso no ade a waye no ya ade a ekire eye ahokyira Ghana for fam ene enema bo akosoro na wo hwe obi ono no hwe gold board so na wayi sika $2 dollars na odi ache ano hye etietia Ghana mra o code of conduct na ankasa o de bae no ebu nanimtia
owie ye wosan di tudwa se erosam pa se mpanifo bi a na wonum etwetwa di bra hodo ano wo ndc amanyoku no emu a ene mampani abowondin ede oman di bra ahye wonsa no omoda ho ekura di bra no ekura amanyoku no emu a wakira emu akura wadi tudwa se so manhwe no mo anyi sankofo ni nyina ensi fom emfre wo di bra amanyoku ni mu a ede amanyosam ebe forefore aban adwuma hodo mu a eno so enya de ebebo akura
na ado danko akufuado etwa asebitu ho Mobekaya 2017. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo in consultation with the National Executive Committee of the party. At the Enshebi by say Obi Bia Yafa wo adwumam ewa ban mu. Na wo say kura party di breno jaito. Obi Bia jaito. Eno no ade aboa ne say e manipa no nya adwempo. Emma ordinary esi adwuma oye no so no ahe ne ye.
Ekuo bi susu sankebe ya free SHS no yenyi free get fund no emo sabeya wonmo kakra na wonmo betumi de aboa ama basic education ho nsamo atumi agira ne naso eye kase no etwaso
ye launch go public fund education campaign ne nyina ne se ye pese e bo hu de ro ama Ghana ani wi ase fanan na ho se ese ye hwe ye addition ho sem ye edisika wuremu se yes ye oman penyi ene the minister for education, minister for finance say get fund ya ankapu no instead of say ye di nyina be share free SHS mo omodwane die ni sa we no ye mfa dodo na esi dan ma trebesebio basic schools no kindergarten for who baby 4-year-old chess no nkola no esuan dia enye is abuse of right environment na enye en fata say obi ade ne ba ekoti na ho ba ano na ewo ho no mo
Executive Director with the Africa Education Watch ano Kofi Asare ebe adwumade na CBA en wode ato aban enimu say wonyi free SHS in free get fund ase na de nti owura yi ede sansem no etudwa no emu nchirimu.
After all this time, our understanding was that once you were on capping get fund, you free resources and commit them more to basic education infrastructure where the deficits are highest. That hasn't happened. This year's get fund for now, unfortunately, is dominated by secondary education, 65%, basic at only 12%. And so all the noise we make, we are back to spending all our money on secondary education. And the reason is that the government is financing free senior high school, originally financed from oil revenues, from Get Fund now. So now free senior high school is now being fully financed from Get Fund.
Ensuo ato asai enyapade ewo Mahama kura bi a wakentampo mansi no emu meka sei afi na ade hie asa akwa akire kwa akwosesa ne ma no de ka akire ya wo boa wo mo de ade sreto Adom kase anim sei yemfanto Ghana mpanifo anim wona ewo bi esi emra won srabem ebeboa wo
me frɛ assembly editu mpanyimfo bi anim na waba mu nti na etie ne sɛ ayaresɛdeɛ na meritu mpanyimfo anim sɛ ɔmonhwɛ na tire kura electoral area ɛne so ka Ghana ho na kuro a yɛsi mu sisia incident yɛsi no yɛ mahama kura nti yɛso yɛyɛ Ghana fo no bi nti ɔmonhwɛ na yɛ nkurɔfo no mmoa sɛ NGO so ankurankuro abɛmpanyimfo yɛhia obi ammoa.
Assembly member Wata Hiru Ekura eka wonom mu a nsuo yi etu wonom efiri won fie mu ho. Wono a woye efie wura ya wo fikasi a wohan bi kura ema afoforo. Wone amane boni atwetwe nkomo akire hawo a se wonom enam mu.
Ti eyesa na ewo akura se na ete ko se ye den so apa. Ye ba esi no. Nti yama ibabi e bada kura no den emaye. Nti yesre aban ne nkronfo na nkankan adomfo no munti na yeden mwanya banwu de yesre se mboaye na nye babi na ye ne nkola ne yirmu yemfo nye babi fayatintu.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe na aban no fa Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture Development so ye nhyehyɛ ya ebebo ye nsuwa ho eban ene nsuo munam no ho ban se obi emfa kana sichi bi so enye ye bibi ebewi akire no ebenya ohaw ewo ye nsuo munam emu nsema kase no etwaso yi.
Of interest who is named in all these four transshipment issues that we are talking about. He is at large, but I am following his tail. I will catch him one day. So what we have done is to go through the law, and the infractions were too clear. And so what we did was to suspend their licenses, the 4 vessels. So their licenses have been suspended, which means that they cannot go fishing, they cannot be seen at sea. One of the major issues for us is enforcement, and enforcement requires we have a unit, the Fisheries Enforcement Unit, which is supported by Navy.
When kasayemun wasan ekasafa akwanya kwan boni amanfo nam so etu fom agudie eha nsuomunam adwuma ya wodi atudwa se ehu behia se ni manimu ya no wodi nhihye begu akwan mu se de beya wobesoso sa hawi ano.
Thank you very much for raising the issue of Galamsey. Galamsey is affecting fisheries. Some people have not made the connection yet. But when the waters are destroyed, the waters eventually flow into the sea. So when there is mercury and all of that, it flows back into the sea, it's destroying our fish, it's killing some traditional aquatic bodies, and so much is going wrong.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de sie ye da semre ene adaje a wode ma ye de du so ne ye do bonkrata no ne online de no ye kwa ba ye nche ye de atoso.